December 12th, New Hampshire ice storm 2008.
Alright, we just came from that way, and now we're gonna go this way.
Thinking right.
Oh, GB. Oh, sure, now it gets easy.
Keep it on, we'll go head up in here. Somebody out here shooting something. Ice on the ground.
Yeah. Oh! Ah, there's some more shizzle. Holy crap. Where the hell's the trail? Oh, that way. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Almost.
So close. Oh, dude.
That's a stump.
Yeah, it was a stump.
Yeah, forward.
Oh my god.
Needed a score.
Took care of that tree.
That's a little more flooded than normal.
That's
Well, I'll try right here.
Be the longest video ever. Still not good. Through there? Yeah? Ah, baby. Have an icicle. Have two. Oh, Jesus.
Ah, I just got slapped in the throat.
Ow, Betsy! The whole world's falling down on me, did you? Ow! My freaking wrist! Ow, my feet! Oh, Jesus! I think I cut my wrist open on that icicle. Ah, my freaking leg! Ow, you bastard! It's fucking stuck on me! Go forward! Oh, damn it, dude. That was painful. That's gonna leave a mark, I know it is.
I'm gonna go more to the right. I don't even know what that was that we just got hit by.
Alright, if you go more back, my nut is gonna get pierced. Ah, there's my leg again. Oh, jeez. We are in the thick of the shizzle. Ah, back. Oh, got my head. It's got his head. Hey, wait, let's go back there. Oh, we kind of can't we? We got no choice but to go straight ahead.
I don't think I can.
You gotta sit in this mess. You're getting us out.
Right.
Oh, my glasses! Wait. Hold on, I gotta put my glasses in my pocket. If I lose these, I'm in trouble. Of course, if I get an icicle through my eye, I'm also in trouble. Alright. Hold on. Oh, man.